Okay, I'm recording again.
Welcome to MILifeyt, and today we're doing a play-doh challenge, and Hayden is playing with the bell. And
we're doing boys versus girls.
We're doing boys versus girls today.
3-minute time limit.
3 minutes for the timer.
I'll just use my phone.
Alright, Marcus, spin the wheel. Our list is over there behind Alexis. Whatever number they get that cookie cutter. And they make it out of Play-Doh. They gotta choose 3 colors of Play-Doh. We'll wait here for 10 minutes for that wheel to stop spinning. It spins pretty good now, so.
And it's homemade.
Yep, if you haven't seen that episode, take a look in our list and see our homemade wheel. Still spinning. I do have numbers on it now, and we got our list made up. So
it is.
We got
3.
Number 3.
Stockings. So you guys have to work together to do the stocking.
Huh? Yeah. Alexa, it's you guys.
No, that was Marcus spun.
You guys have to go and work together.
Okay, Alexa, spin it. Don't spin it so hard. Oh.
We'll just speed through the spinning.
No, we won't. Makes for good conversation piece.
Marcus, you get to pick 3 colors.
And Caden.
Well,
Together, they got to pick 3 colors. Caden, you got to help Marcus. Talk to your partner what colors you want to make your stocking.
We got
Number 2.
snowman.
So we got a snowman and a stocking today.
yeah,
Is this the snowman?
Yep, that's the snowman.
Wait, those
Alright.
are the same 2 colors.
We need white.
Well, then I guess you gotta
Split.
decide what to do. Either we can split the container.
Could we,
Okay.
could we have a little bit of black?
Well, get your Play-Dohs out, get them ready so that we can start the timer. You guys need to choose together. You get 3 colors. You gotta stick your fingers down in there and get it out.
Orange, brown, and black.
Well, what are you gonna make the snowman out of then? You gotta have white. Gotta have 3.
We're gonna use some black and some white. Just.
Got my start.
Oh, okay. So just.
Well, remember you gotta work together. You're building one stocking. So.
I'm just gonna grab it out since I have snow. Don't start yet.
Getting pieces out.
All right. And are we ready to start the timer?
Yeah.
Let me get my phone.
Wait, no, you can't.
3, 2, 1,
go.
There's our timer. And it's go time.
Okay, we're gonna need the black in a minute. Not right now.
Remember, you gotta work together. Who's working on what? Abby's making the snowman.
She's making the carrot.
And the scarf.
Guys,
Scarf.
can I have the black? Can you pass over the black?
Make sure you pass it back. Or leave it in the middle if you're both using it.
We kind of made it look like oh wait, yeah, we did.
It's alright, roll with it. Keep going.
It is a stocking. Turn it, we need some black.
Abby, pass the
Abby,
black
pass
back
the
across. You gotta leave it in the middle.
Wait, we need to make a hat.
Put it in the middle.
Wait, we need to make a hat out of black.
What are you doing? No, wait a minute.
Can I make the hat?
I'm already on the hat.
I'm trying to
I'll
check
make
your timer.
the
Sit back down. 1:38 left. We're about halfway through. You better hurry.
We're done.
Done already?
Yeah.
Holy smokes, you guys are fast.
It's stuck to the table. That's way too big.
Alright, you better decorate it up nice. Make it look the best you can. What else can you do to it?
That looks weird.
You still got a minute.
Weird. Because of like huge hat. The hat's supposed to go like this.
Work together. Work together. You still got a minute.
Hey,
Hey, you can't do that. No. That's cheating.
Just yell it out to him.
Make some black coming out of the top, or lumps of coal.
There we go. We're getting advice. We're getting advice for Uncle Richard. Lumps of coal in their stocking.
Hold on.
35 seconds left.
Okay.
the scarf. The scarf. Black, black. Who has the black? Ooh, I know what I finished.
Yours is finished. Well, don't mess it up. Here, get me into your phone. I can't see the timer.
We don't have enough time.
Hurry up.
10.
We don't have enough.
Yeah, but I need it big. Can you get it big?
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Go sit back down. You got to show your stocking. That's it. Time's up. All right, stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing.
We are.
Let's see what they came up with.
I don't feel too good.
That is Marcus and Caden's stocking with a lump of coal coming out the top. What's all over it?
This looks all dots.
Dots on it?
This looks
All right.
nice.
And there's Alexis and Abigail's snowman. All right.
Okay.
Don't ruin them yet. Hold on. Thanks for joining us at the My Life Play-Doh Challenge. If you want to check the description below, there will be links to Play-Doh and links to our webpage, which is MILifeyt.com. And we'll see you in the next one.